Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC90 Petrol versus diesel. We will explore the key differences between these two engine types, focusing on aspects like performance, fuel efficiency, and overall running costs. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding to help you decide which Volvo XC90 engine best suits your personal driving style and requirements. Petrol engines in the Volvo XC90, like the B5 mild hybrid, generally offer a smoother and quieter driving experience. For instance, the B5 delivers around 247 horsepower. They are often preferred for city driving and shorter journeys, providing responsive acceleration. Additionally, petrol engines typically produce lower levels of nitrogen oxide emissions compared to their diesel counterparts, contributing to cleaner air in urban areas. Diesel engines, such as the D5 found in many XC90 models, are renowned for their impressive torque, often around 470 Nm. This translates to excellent pulling power, making them ideal for towing and carrying heavy loads. They also typically offer superior fuel economy, achieving around 40 miles per gallon on longer journeys. If your driving involves significant highway mileage, a diesel XC90 could be a very economical choice. Deciding between petrol and diesel for your Volvo XC90 depends on your typical usage. If you mostly drive in urban areas and value a quiet, smooth ride, a petrol engine is likely your best fit. However, for frequent long-distance travel, or if you need strong towing capabilities, a diesel engine offers better fuel efficiency and torque. Remember, newer XC90s also offer advanced mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid petrol options, providing a blend of power and efficiency.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.